I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locating the artifacts that still exist. Rstudio, RData, and the rproj file. Make a fresh copy of the whole project folder now. Do not work on the originals. Once copied, close Rstudio to stop any background writes and disable automatic sessions. Next, open the copied folder and list files by date so you can prioritize recent changes. This step prevents accidental overwrites and gives you the exact files you will attempt to restore in the next phase. You now load and extract. Start a fresh R session and use load /. RData to restore saved objects, inspect with ls and SDR to validate, then open. Rstudio with read lines /. Rstudio and search for recent commands using tail or grep patterns, copy important blocks. Once you have code snippets, paste them into new R scripts and run incrementally to rebuild objects rather than sourcing everything at once. This controlled reconstruction avoids recreating corrupt objects and reveals missing dependencies. You finish by saving reconstructed scripts and creating a new rproj, then explicitly save workspace with save. Image, new, RData so you have a clean checkpoint. Once done, run project tests and confirm outputs. If objects are missing, make sure package versions match, reinstall specific versions if needed, and recreate objects stepwise. If recovery fails, check file system snapshots, cloud backups, or Git history. One key troubleshooting tip. If files appear corrupted, work from a binary copy and try loading with different R versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.